I literally did what it told me it did.
Just let me do it.
Yeah,
Let me do it. Here, I'm doing the game. Okay, it's pretty simple, Aurora. You simply have to go down here.
I did what it was
Go down
telling me to do, but it didn't work.
Now, simply grab the wand.
How did you do it?
You don't touch his arm.
I did the exact same thing.
Yeah, but you were touching the wizard's arm.
How was it?
He's lying. He's playing again.
No, I
We're in the
don't.
car on the way to the airport. Planes, buddy. 2 miles since we've done it.
Not true. I think.
It's been a while since we've gone plane spotting, like from 7 Mile Beach.
Oh yeah.
And now they land, so we can actually see them real close up. Where they're like 20 meters
I
in
didn't
the
need a
air.
hint for this one. Okay,
There's also a geocaching here that we're gonna look for, that I'm gonna look for.
I'll look for it too.
It's not in the sand dunes. I think it's in like a little bush. Yeah, but it's close. It's on the edges of the plane spotting area.
I can't touch the door.
Yeah. Just a little update. And yeah, I'll make a video of us plane spotting and finding the geocache.
Oh, I didn't need a hint.
Sorry, it's really bumpy on these roads. Just kidding. Well, it is a bit bumpy. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More geocaching content coming soon.